So the signal sucked, and what I thought I heard you say was that you was a hoe.
That's absolutely not what I said.
Because I heard that you were going to Ireland and you said Idaho.
As in the state. So it is Sunday in Salt Lake City, and I am headed to a flea market. Hoping to get some good vintage stuff. Yeah, I'll take that. Appreciate it.
Oh, how they say, bro?
It was good.
Damn, my niggas, bro. Let me show you the fan real quick.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Oh, hi!
It's Boone. That's my girl, Dad.
Nice to meet you,
Nice to
finally.
meet you
This
too.
man, he chilling right now. Though. She is 50.
Hey yo.
It's cool. Say what's on, Uncle Boone. Hi, Chance.
Give me 5.
Give him that. Give him that. Give him a pound. Oh, you can say handshake.
Which one?
Handshake, handshake.
You want a handshake? Yeah. I'm about to get this for sure. Just, you know what I mean? Got my name on it already.
Hey.
Ooh, my man got the Selena t-shirt. Yeah, $10. That's hard. It came up. It is extremely hot outside. How you living?
He was so sad. I don't know if
Yeah, just. I know, man. Got the ties too, man. Nice. I like them.
Can't do it.
Oh, it's all baby.
It look like Naruto, right? Yeah.
No, sir. Ooh, that's crazy.
How much is it?
You don't see me
I
wearing
don't see you
this.
wearing this one as much at all. I think you just think it's cool because it's rubber and it's fun.
Yeah, real shit.
But realistically,
Oh, you talking about this joint? Yeah. It's a big ass box. He's like, yeah. Somebody gonna want it though. Oh my god.
This one dope.
Only bear I've ever been. Really? Here you go. Oh yeah, thank you, man. Yeah.
Should say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Don't touch it.
Because no, if you click it once and it beeps twice, that means both.
We can't eat no vegan
No
food?
vegan, bro. Give me some meat, shrimp, tacos.
Pause, bro. You said you want some what?